Maybe it is time, I know I'm not wearing a glove, but to take the gloves off. Well, symbolically speaking. I'm going to call this video Agile and Fake News. Let's have some fun. I know many people might not like what I'm going to be saying here. I might even offend some people. And if they deserve to be offended, so be it. I am not here to make everybody happy. I realize saying what you believe in, being authentic about what you talk about, believing in what you're talking about, putting you, the community, as the focus instead of the commercial gain, I have got to be honest and open. So let's talk about Agile and fake news. And here, forgive me for venting a little bit. So we cannot close this video without talking about Waterfall and the argument about Agile and Waterfall. Notice in all of these videos, I haven't really explained Waterfall because really Waterfall to me, it's not that relevant here. The main issue, and we don't find, the main issue is the frustration and annoying articles and posts by the Agilists. We don't find many people posting these things on Waterfall. It's funny actually. And one time I was debating with someone about Agile, and she told me, "Oh, so you support Waterfall?" I said, "What?" So to these people's mind, it's either or. Why? Remember my book? Yeah, my book. I called it Project Management Beyond Waterfall and Agile. Why? Because we want to go beyond the debate and the argument, Waterfall, Agile. It's not either or. Project management must be adaptive. The project management method must be designed to fit the organizational need, culture, and the type of the project. Whether it is incremental, partial incremental, waterfall, banana, or apricots, doesn't really matter. Now I'm gonna, again today, in this video, I'm gonna focus on this online debate, point directly. Years ago, I used to work in an organization, or exposed to an organization, let's put it that way, where the internal sad joke was, in order to climb in this organization, to go up the ladder, the professional ladder, you have to climb with using a knife in the back of your colleagues. So basically what that point was behind that in order for management to see you and to be able to elevate you into a higher rank, how can they do that? Well, either if you are really an outstanding performer, then you will shine and you don't have to put a knife in the back of anybody. Your own performance speaks for itself to help you go up the professional ladder or the management ladder or whatever ladder you like to climb on. Or if you are really mediocre, the way to climb is by trying to find the mistake of others. So try to expose to management that other people are failure or they are really no good. And even if you have to lie, that will be okay, as long as you try to give management that, look, you're the best out there. You are the one who deserves to be promoted because all of these people are, I almost said a word that I don't want to use on videos. Yeah? So you look good by showing everybody else. This is what's happening in the Agile community today, or in the project management community today. What I'm trying to say, Agilistas, the way they are promoting Agile today are using one of two scenarios. There are some good articles out there, but anyone that have a lot of respect for themselves and they are truly Agile expert, they will not call themselves Agilists or Agilistas or Agile evangelists or whatever you call them. These people really understand Agile in the project management world and they have been using Agile concept for years. However, those Agilists, what they use to promote Agile, those who do not truly understand Agile, they use one of two techniques or tactics. One is that knife story I just shared with you. In order for them, because they don't have anything to really present to us, to defend their position. So the only way they can shine is by bad-mouthing somebody else. So basically what you are saying here is that if it's good, it must be agile. If it's bad, it's waterfall, you know. Like even yesterday, somebody said on a post, said, you know, why should we use waterfall? So we will work for months, and at the end, the customer will, the product will not meet expectation. So in his mind, waterfall is a guaranteed failure. On what basis? Many organizations have been using waterfall, and again, I use the quotation mark waterfall because technically I don't know if there is such a thing as a waterfall methodology documented anywhere. Yeah? People have used sequential, stage gate process, stages gates, project life cycle for years on all type of project, on oil and gas, on pharmaceutical, everywhere. They use this kind of concept, and it works. Yes, some projects fail and some projects succeed. And I don't know what the percentages are because there are no really good, reliable sources that give us accurate success and failure measure. So how could we claim that unless it is agile, it will fail? It will not meet customer expectation. So here, what these people use this tactic that if it's good, agile. Trust me, it's agile. Yeah? Agile, eating the word. You know, why aren't you agile yet? Why haven't you transformed to agile yet? How can you convince your organization to move to agile? All of these arguments there, yes? But on what basis? And remember, they keep saying agile worked everywhere, and I keep challenging people, I would love for you, those who claim agile project manager and agile project management, show me a case, one single case study that shows how agile project management methodology, because that's what they're saying, is used to take a project C to C, concept to closure. I cannot remember how many times I've challenged people online with this argument, and yet to see somebody who will actually do that. The second tactic they use, many of those agilists, they've stolen concept from good old project management, and they claim it as agile invented. So there are a lot of good practices we've been using for years, and said, this is agile. How is it agile? Rolling wave planning is something we use in construction for probably 100 years. Now it is an agile concept. Customer interaction. Must be agile. You know, yesterday even in a post somebody said, in a waterfall, there is no customer interaction except at the milestone, stage gates, or he didn't use the word stage gate, he used milestone. What do you mean? I used to work for a project owner organization, so I was a customer. And 8 years of my life, I was working on project large and small. I was sitting in the contractor office. I have breakfast, lunch, and maybe sometime dinner with the contractors that are doing work. Daily, and not only me and the rest of the team that I belong to and I was working with. So we, as a client organization, sit in the contractor office, work with them on a daily basis, talk daily, meet weekly. So where did this debate and where is this argument nonsense that says only in agile there is a close customer interaction? Make up your mind. This is really annoying, as you can see, from the emotion that's coming out with. And not everything is good is agile. I have even been seeing posts from people around the world who are really used to believe in agile and saying agile is not working. It's a hype. It's a lie. Next, I will focus on one of those big lies, which is agile in construction. Say adios for now. Until later.